Hello friends, welcome to the another video. As I promised, different day I'll bring some interesting portfolio that I build, and ultimate our goal is to beat the S&P 500 general index, and I think in overtime we'll do it. Again, this is not financial advice. Don't take any of this advice as your financial like a goal or investment strategy. This is completely from my like from my perspective on market, and take these as a entertainment purpose. Don't take it as a personal financial advice. This is something I am doing myself, so this is not any financial advice for anyone else. Anyways, so if you look into this portfolio, this one is I named is COVID-19 a vaccine a vaccine portfolio. And as you can see, the return of this portfolio is huge. It's 238%, though it's down 2.40% today, but still this is a massive gain. And I added all this position on a specific date, just before after the COVID virus shutdown. The purpose is to adding on that day to track the performance of these companies and who is doing better than other. I believe that date was March 12. Yeah, so if you see, I think if you click this holdings, we can see it was March 12. So pretty much I added all of them on the same date with the price of that day's price, and I equally distributed the total amount as equally as I can, because the ones that are more expensive I put more share, less share on those, and the ones less expensive I put more share on those. That's why you see the different number of shares. Anyway, so what are these companies? And if you already following the vaccine development of COVID-19 virus, you will already familiar with these companies. So here I have, I think, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 companies here. I was reading an article that on published in Forbes. They are still talking about 9 pharmaceutical companies that are racing for COVID-19 vaccine. I have 7. I think I'll limit a few of them because they are underperforming. So if you look into this, so this one is EBS. Few of them here are, I think, very well-known pharmaceutical companies. For example, this one, NVAX. So NVAX is a Novavax. EBS is, I believe this one is a smaller size company. I believe it's Emergent Bio Solutions Incorporated. They are also developing a vaccine. I will put the link of this article to my videos if you want further details about this company. This article, you can go there and you can read about it. So this one, EBS, NVX, JSK. I think most of already know about this company. Yeah, GlaxoSmithKline and AZN. this one is AstraZeneca in the PLC. So this company and Moderna, I think they are quite ahead in developing the vaccine. And J&J also there, which is I think Johnson and Johnson. They have quite a different portfolio, but they are developing the vaccine as well. And PFE is also Pfizer, which is also very known pharmaceutical companies, and that's Moderna. So here we want to mainly focus on few companies, and even we see they all developing vaccine for COVID-19, but not all of them has significant gain. Though it is still significant because I'm talking about from March till now. Still, these are good gain in this time. But if you compare with these three, this is Novavax, and then Moderna, and this one is Emerging Biosolution, I guess. Yeah, Emergent Biosolution Incorporate. So these ones has quite significant gain, especially this one, Novavax. If you see this company chart, which is quite significant. So people who bought here in the end of March or early March that time, so they made like almost, I guess, more than 1,000%, I believe. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, it's 1,387%. Moderna is way behind, but still almost close to 200%, which is still quite significant. So the whole purpose of this video is two things. One is you know about this company. So if you still think these are still a good investment, I will see if this something can invest in this one of this company. So I will see if any of this company still has any opportunities to get in and make some gain. Eventually, if you get in, you will make some money in long term, like these bigger pharmaceutical companies. But these ones which move way ahead, I'm not sure still these are good investment at this point. Again, none of these are financial advice, so do your own research before making an investment, or you can lose money significantly. So if you so another tool I usually use for I usually check the charts. I don't know if you can make the charts. So something called Trading View, where you can see the free charts, but with some limited limited function. So if you look in this, in banks. So if you go here, so as you can see, chart is quite moved up quite significant. And you see their rating is right now based on overall technical indicator summary. The whole rating is sell. And also if you go to the technical chart, which is they use maybe candlestick. You can use candlestick or bar graph, so you can see. So one of the technical indicator I use many times, which is RSI, which is very important. It's a different one. Okay. Let's change something. Um, Anyways, I will fix. I will find out this RS and their indicator. Change yeah, this one what I'll looking for. Yeah, so this RSI indicator I mostly use before buying any specific stock or ETF. Um, so because this one show you the pace of the price movement, which this means if price is moving really fast, so there are possibility there will be a correction very soon. So usually the RSI you can change the date. They're giving a kind of average for here is 14 days. You can modify it with a lower number. Then that you'll see the more volatility in this graph, but that will give you more finer picture for that time. But if you standard is 14, if you take it, you will see where it goes above 70. There is always a small or big correction. It goes down, come to in the half. Sometimes if it goes above this, if you're using 14, or if you're not using 14, you use less than. Still, the chart will be like this, but the whole point is if it is goes above 70, it is overbought. So there will be a correction expected very soon. If it goes below 30, so that means it is oversold. So there will be a move up very soon. So if you look into this daily chart, you see it's quite overbought. So I don't think it's the right time to get into this right now. At least if it is me, I'm not gonna buy at this point. I probably want it to come down, maybe sometime somewhere over here, because there is maybe a support here. So probably we can come at this level somewhere, and we can. What is this? And as we come here and make a purchase on there. Anyways, so this is what it is right now. So it's quite expensive. If you what about the other ones? If you go MRNA, which is Moderna. Oh, so I was looking at the different one. Sorry about that. I was looking at Apple stock. That's why it's quite expensive right now, because I just saw a correction is down. So if you go back in backs, because so when I move to the technical chart, switch to the default one. So if you go back here, you see, sorry for that, like I was analyzing the Apple chart, but this one is the Novavax. So you see there is a, when it's reached here, it was quite overbought for some time. Now it's getting a correction. Today it's down, I think, roughly 3.53%. So probably when it's come back here, it's probably, I think it will gonna get a support somewhere here. Oh no, it's got jump, I guess. So we'll see how it, because it's moved up so fast. Maybe somewhere here it will get some support. But it was moving up from here quite straight, like this, quite crazy. So I don't think it should be a good buy at this point. So there need to be significant correction at some point. Maybe it comes $100 or $75, then maybe I can consider getting into this. The other shows is Moderna mRNA. So right now S&P 500 is already in overbought situation overall. So I'm not personally getting into any specific stock or ETF at this point, except like there is a fixed purchase I do every week. Other than that, nothing in specific sector or stock. So this one you see modern also getting quite correction from last few days. So you see from the beginning of July it's moving down. So people are taking their profit. So still it's a falling knife. I don't think it's a good investment at this point. So I'm not gonna look into all of these. If you're interested in the other ones, I'm gonna just look into first three, and the rest of them, if you're interested, you can go in trading view. You can do your own analysis. But the last one I'm gonna look into this video is EBS. So let's see how EBS is doing. Margin Biosolution. This one is also moving down. You see that because they are, I think, they are losing as a vaccine developer. So in the stock market, there is something called like PL lose, like a specific sector is going down. Like if most of the stock in that sector is going down, like maybe one or two maybe moving up, but most of them have a trend to go down. So you see this one also getting a correction. Not sure where is gonna get the support. Best way to just wait and see. Maybe it will get support somewhere here or maybe here. But I think it will move probably here, not here. But most of them are moved really fast, so much. So better I'll say wait and see how things goes. Maybe one of them I want to like to see maybe JNG, which is up today, which is a like a blue chip stock. Johnson. So this one is I think still overbought. You can see it moving up. This is a blue chip stock, and the part is 2500, I believe. And so it still is moving up in overbought territory. So will we not get into this at these levels? It's quite expensive. Maybe we need some correction at some of these areas to come back here. Anyway, so that's it for today. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. If you like the video, that will help the YouTube algorithm to move my videos in higher in the when you search for it. Also, it will also good for me to get motivated and grow my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friend if anyone like to know about and get interested about financial market and just to invest in stock, bond, or cryptocurrencies or maybe commodities. All right, so thank you again. You have a good day and see you on the next video.